Morning guys, welcome back to the vlog. We are here in the beautiful gardens of Harvey Court, which is one of the areas owned by Gonville and Keys College, and we're here for a pantomime rehearsal. At the moment, we're on our GP placement in literally the middle of nowhere, so we've been spending our days seeing patients and drinking lots of tea and coffee. It's been really, really fun, so there's going to be a vlog at some point about a day in the life on GP placement by the coast. But today's a Sunday, so we've got a fairly packed day, and then we're going to be driving 2 hours to like the Norfolk coastline. So first things first, pantomime rehearsal, let's go.
Welcome back to Savannah Brooks.
Today, we're going to be learning about how to break bad news. Your wife has been sleeping with all the king's horses and all the king's men, and now your Humpty Dumpty is putting back together again.
My Humpty what?
Sir, I didn't know a haircut could scream. I may be a Cambridge medical student, but I still know how to have fun. Ha!
So clinical school lacrosse is just one of the many sports that we do as clinical students at Cambridge. We've got a great team and a great squad. It's so easy to get started here with the medics. We're so friendly, we want everyone to join us.
Hi everyone. I do love lacrosse. Lacrosse is amazing. Yeah, everybody enjoys it, everybody gets to play, lots of people participate. Good to get out every once in a while. And so Ben got me into lacrosse like last year when he was captain of the team, and I'd never played it before, but like enjoyed it so much every time I'd come down. Now we're going into this fancy cafe at Jesus College. We're gonna get some work done. This place is actually so lovely. Right, so there is a chance that this day is going to get a lot more interesting, because while playing lacrosse earlier, I got one of these, which I think is a subungual hematoma, and I've looked it up on the internet, and apparently you need to go to A&E, because if it's painful, which this is, they might want to stick a needle in and drain it. I'm gonna head down to A&E, show them my finger, and yeah, we'll see what they do. I'm kind of hoping they drain it because it is quite painful. It's like throbby kind of sensation, and if they do drain it, then it would be really cool to film it. But yeah, next stop, A&E. So I think A&E is probably a bit excessive for this kind of problem because it's not like life-threatening or a real emergency. So I'm calling up NHS 111 and we'll see if they reckon this is worth going to A&E for. It looks like there is like blue blood underneath the nail, which is almost covering the whole nail, and it's kind of throbbing pain. Actually, I'm in the hospital right now, but I'm just chilling in Costa, so I don't want to go to A&E. Cool, thank you very much for your time. All right, take care, bye-bye. Yeah, they've said that someone's going to give me a call back with some guidance on home management, so they're probably going to say, you know, take some painkillers, make sure you don't like traumatically injure the finger again, or all this kind of stuff. So that's very reassuring. It means I don't have to go to A&E. Kind of sad because I kind of wanted to film like, you know, the finger being drained, but to be honest, Adam Brooks A&E is pretty swamped generally. I don't want to be contributing to the national crisis in A&E because people are going to A&E far too much, and more people should be managing their conditions at home because A&E is really just for, you know, really, really bad things. This is kind of annoying, but it's not really, really bad, and yeah, a couple of painkillers should do the trick. Alright, so that's the saga of the subungual hematoma complete. So now it's time to pick up Marcus, Yusra and Rachel, and we're going to drive towards the Norfolk coastline. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. Have a lovely night, and I'll see you in the next video. Good night.